Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the top 5 best bass headphones for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Sony MDR-XB950B1. The Sony MDR-XB950B1 extra bass wireless headphones come with excellent bass right out of the box. But those who can't get enough can boost it with Sony's extra bass feature to punctuate those skull-shattering bass lines even further. As such, these headphones are easily our top pick for absolute bass heads. These headphones come with solid 40mm dynamic drivers with a wide frequency range of 3 Hz to 28 kHz. The lower frequencies of the MDR-XB950B1 are the most expansive of all the other headphones on this list. As such, you can expect to get an excellent bass response right off the bat. Sound accuracy and fidelity aren't an issue with these headphones. At number 4. Monoprice H1707. The Monoprice H1707 come with passive bass reflectors in each ear cup for excellent bass response. They provide clean and accurate lows that don't bleed over the mids. Overall, they have a tight, punchy sound quality that even audiophiles love, making them our best overall pick for bass headphones. These headphones come with 3 drivers in each ear cup: a 40mm graphene dynamic driver, ceramic tweeter, and bass reflector. The combination of all 3 provides an exceptionally spacious soundstage, offering crystal clear highs and rich, extended bass. The drivers are also expertly tuned by award-winning sound engineer Luca Bignardi. These high-res certified headphones have a good frequency range of 20 Hz to 40 kHz. But thanks to the Trident bass reflector setup, they're capable of a more extended bass response that goes down to 10 Hz. And since they're designed almost like a pair of open-back headphones with vented outer paneling, echoes in the lower frequencies won't be an issue. At number 3, Skullcandy Crusher Evo. The Skullcandy Crusher Evo sensory bass headphones come with a great bass response, a handy bass slider, and an EQ personalization option that allows you to customize your sound. All these features combined make these headphones the top choice for true blue bass heads. Skullcandy's Crusher adjustable sensory bass offers the ability to boost your bass quickly and easily. By toggling the dedicated bass switch on the ear cup, you can instantly tone down or amp up your bass to bone-rattling levels. It's a handy feature that eliminates the need to mess around with EQ settings, if that isn't your thing. You also get a more personalized listening experience with the Skullcandy app, which is programmed with Audiodo's personal sound technology. By taking a quick hearing test, Audiodo analyzes your hearing and uses that data to optimize sound output. That way, you're always hearing your music the way you like it. At number 2, Monoprice Modern Retro. The Monoprice Modern Retro headphones are highly reviewed for having a better bass response than other similarly affordable headphones. It's also the cheapest pair on this list, costing at just below $30, making them our top budget pick for bass headphones. These headphones are as simple and straightforward as they come. They feature a closed-back design that's perfect for boosting those lower frequencies. They also come with dynamic 50mm drivers that deliver a robust, clean sound that's fit for professional use. Given their price point, they don't come with any extra bass boosting features. However, you can still expect some top-quality listening with a good frequency response of 15 Hz to 25 kHz. You can also tweak your EQ settings to get that soul-crushing bass, and expect that these headphones will deliver excellent audio every single time. Finally at number 1, SENNHEISER Momentum 3. The SENNHEISER Momentum 3 wireless headphones have a wide frequency range and a great bass response. They're also most recommended for noise cancellation, making them our top pick for best noise-canceling bass headphones. These headphones come with 42mm dynamic drivers with a good frequency range of 6 Hz to 22 kHz. With a balanced and extended bass response, you get bass that sounds clean and tight. This makes them particularly ideal for hard-hitting genres like EDM, electronica, or dubstep. Despite not having the widest frequency range, the Momentum 3 retains a fairly low 0.35 THD that can confidently deliver high-resolution and distortion-free sound across the board. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.